Hey everyone, it's Akshov. Who couldn't use a productivity boost? We're constantly bombarded with distractions, leaving us feeling like we're always playing catch-up. That's why I've put together this video to share 10 actionable productivity tips you can implement right now to reclaim your time and get more done. We'll start with prioritization and goal setting, then move on to practical techniques like time blocking and distraction management. By the end, you'll have a personalized productivity toolkit to tackle any task, so let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with prioritization. We've all been there, staring at a to-do list a mile long, feeling overwhelmed. But not all tasks are created equal. That's where the Eisenhower Matrix comes in, a tool to focus on what truly matters. Imagine a chart divided into 4 quadrants. Urgent and important, important but not urgent. Urgent but not important, and not urgent, not important. Start by categorizing your tasks into these quadrants. Urgent and important tasks are fire drills, things you need to tackle immediately. Important but not urgent tasks are long-term goals requiring planning. Delegate or eliminate tasks in the less important quadrants and dedicate your time to high-impact activities. Jot down your top 3 most important tasks for tomorrow, focusing on the urgent and important but not urgent categories. Now that we've nailed down prioritization, let's talk about goal setting. Setting goals gives you direction and purpose, but not all goals are created equal. To set yourself up for success, use the SMART goal framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of a vague goal like read more, a SMART goal would be read for 30 minutes every day before bed for the next month. The SMART goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each element of the SMART framework creates a clear roadmap for achieving your goals. When you set specific and measurable goals, you can track your progress and stay motivated. Reflect on your current goals and see if they fit the SMART criteria. Reframe them using the SMART framework and watch how much more focused and productive you become. Let's talk about one of my favorite productivity hacks: time blocking. It's blocking out specific chunks of time in your day for specific tasks. Think of it as creating a schedule for your work, but instead of meetings, you're scheduling focused work blocks. Identify your most productive hours. Allocate those blocks to your most important tasks. For example, if you're writing a report, block out 2 hours in the morning when you're most alert. During that time, eliminate all distractions and dive deep into your writing. Use a digital calendar, a physical planner, or a simple spreadsheet to create your time blocks. Schedule short breaks between work blocks to recharge and avoid burnout. Time blocking might take some getting used to, but once you experience the power of focused work sessions, you'll never go back. In today's hyper-connected world, distractions are everywhere. From social media notifications to constant email pings, it's a battle to stay focused. But you can control your distractions and reclaim your focus. Identify your biggest productivity killers. Create a dedicated workspace, even if it's just a specific desk or chair. Use website blockers to prevent access to distracting websites during work hours. Utilize Do Not Disturb mode on your phone to silence notifications. Schedule specific times for checking emails and social media and resist the urge outside those periods. The goal is not to eliminate all distractions, but to manage them effectively. Let's talk about something many of us neglect: taking breaks. Taking regular breaks can boost your productivity and prevent burnout. When we work for extended periods without breaks, our focus dwindles and we become more susceptible to errors. One popular technique is the Pomodoro technique. Work in 25-minute intervals, separated by 5-minute breaks. After every 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. During breaks, avoid mentally stimulating activities. Instead, stretch, grab a healthy snack, or take deep breaths. Experiment with different break lengths and frequencies to find what works best for you. Listen to your body and take breaks before you feel burnt out. Regular breaks can make a world of difference in maintaining peak performance. We often glorify multitasking, but our brains aren't wired for it. When we try to do multiple things at once, our attention becomes fragmented, leading to decreased productivity and increased errors. Instead of multitasking, embrace single tasking. Choose one task and give it your undivided attention until it's complete. Close out irrelevant tabs, silence your phone, and create a distraction-free environment. You'll be surprised by how much more efficiently you work when you focus on one thing at a time. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the task at hand. Develop the awareness to recognize when your focus is shifting and redirect it back to the present moment. Taking a few minutes each day and week to reflect on your progress and plan for the future can significantly impact your productivity. Daily reviews help you stay on track and ensure you're making progress toward your goals. At the end of each day, take 5 to 10 minutes to review your accomplishments, assess any unfinished tasks, and plan for the following day. This simple habit helps you gain clarity on what you've achieved and prioritize tasks for the next day. During your weekly review, take a more comprehensive look at your past week, review your accomplishments, identify any roadblocks, and adjust your plans for the following week accordingly. Work smarter, not harder, leveraging productivity tools. In today's digital age, there's an abundance of productivity tools available to streamline your workflow and boost your efficiency. From project management apps to note-taking software and time-tracking tools, these digital companions can help you stay organized and focused. One popular tool is Notion, a versatile all-in-one workspace for managing tasks, taking notes, organizing projects, and collaborating with team members. Another powerful tool is Trello, a project management app that utilizes a Kanban system to visualize your workflow. For a more visual approach to time management, Google Calendar is an excellent option. Its intuitive interface allows you to schedule appointments, set reminders, and color-code different types of events. Choose tools that align with your workflow and preferences. Experiment with different options and find what works best for you. Creating an environment for success. Optimizing your workspace. Your physical environment can significantly impact your productivity. A cluttered workspace can lead to distractions and mental fatigue, while a clean, organized, and inspiring environment can enhance focus and creativity. Start by decluttering your workspace. Get rid of unnecessary items, organize loose papers, and wipe down surfaces to create a clean atmosphere. Pay attention to your lighting. Natural light is best, but if limited, invest in a good quality desk lamp. Consider the ergonomics of your workspace. Ensure your chair provides adequate back support, your monitor is at eye level, and your keyboard and mouse are within easy reach. Proper ergonomics can prevent physical discomfort and promote better posture. A well-optimized workspace can make a significant difference in your productivity. Setting boundaries. The power of saying no. In a world that often glorifies busyness, setting boundaries and learning to say no can be a game changer for your productivity and well-being. When you constantly say yes to every request, you spread yourself thin, leading to burnout and decreased productivity. Identify your priorities and values. Once clear, it becomes easier to say no to commitments that don't align with them. Remember, every time you say yes to something, you're saying no to something else. When declining a request, be polite but firm. A simple, "Thank you for thinking of me, but I'm fully committed at the moment," will suffice. Setting boundaries allows you to focus on what truly matters. Your productivity journey starts now. That's it. 10 actionable tips to boost your productivity. We covered a lot of ground today, from prioritizing tasks with the Eisenhower Matrix to setting smart goals, mastering time blocking, and optimizing your workspace. Remember, productivity is not about doing more. It's about doing the right things efficiently and effectively. Start by implementing 1 or 2 tips that resonate with you, and gradually incorporate others as you develop your personalized productivity system. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more productivity hacks, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Until next time, stay productive.